So another off the chart stream recording here, and I'm Lucas here again with you. So BTC, what's going on? Well, weekly closed, so let's see that first off, and the weekly closed. The weekly closed like indecisive, and then the week started off pretty strong today. So we can see the 3-day candle. Let's go back to the weekly actually. Well, I mean, we were expecting a pullback because this is really hot. So the stochastic can stay like this up here hot for a long time. Like, it's possible. You see here, it stayed hot for a long time here, and then it went a bit down and the price went more up until it eventually crashed. But then it reset and then it went up again. And RSI did the same thing, you see. So price stayed up here for a while, kind of made a top, pulled back, and then pushed a hell of a lot more. This was like 32 and price pushed all the way up to 60. So we made 100% move, okay, while RSI was kind of waiting to make a bear divergence for 100% move. So this, and then it reset again, okay, it reset all the way again here, and then it made another from 33k to 60 something. So another more than 100% move, with RSI on the weekly being kind of weak to the previous top. So looking that in retrospective, we can assume that these tops on this high of a time frame don't mean that much, as long as there's volume getting pushed in, you see, because here and then we immediately got volume kicks in, and then price just went up. So knowing that, determining that will let us know how to think, and it's pretty simple. So we will look at fibs for the future references that can happen and try and be smart about it. So what can we determine from the fibs? Well, we can say, we can go like, okay, price topped here. Let's say this was a move. Okay, let's say this was a move here, and this didn't happen. So price went down under 236, lost it, and then reclaimed it. And then again at this point of time, it made a double top at 382 and then pushed up. Okay, then again we had a top, price went down. So in this point in time, from the low to the high, 236 held, got bought up on the weekly, price went up. Now if we take the entire move, let's say we can start measuring when the sharp pullback happens. Okay, like here, sharp pullback, sharp pullback, sharp pullback, and at this moment we still don't have that. So let's say price comes up into here, then pulls back to these fibs, which are really playing well, okay, they're legit, pulls back, and then we see what happens. This is an important line, okay. So on the daily, well, we did call. If this happens, we had fibs in the group, we called options and possibilities, and they were spot on. So if you're paying attention, congrats. Now what's the next move? Well, this 786 57.5 is a level that will surely give a reaction. Okay, what type of reaction can that be? Well, each fib until now gave a reaction. Okay, this one gave a pretty strong one, then this one got tested again, retest, hold. So 707 actually at the moment didn't give any type of reaction this area. Okay, so they just blasted through it, and now I would expect a retest, maybe some consolidation to move up. That would be a healthy thing, because you see, somebody had to buy here, okay, sell some there, or sell most of it here, here, then buy again here, somebody else or the same person, run it up. So this person or persons or entities need to again sell some, okay, let it pull back, create new support, and then run it up again. If we overextend without this happening, then the other guys will say, oh, I'm in disbelief, I will not bid madly again, I will just let it come down more. But any type of sharp pullbacks are still for buying, as long as we posted multiple times. So in my opinion, as long as 50k holds as support, the market will go up. If this area does not hold at one point, then as long as to keep healthy structure on the weekly, I would not want to lose 42k. Okay, that would be the first one. If we start like dumping, and then bull market is kind of here, really. But let's say worst case scenario, everything goes to shit, then it will be like here. Here we would definitely under 28k, we would definitely be losing structure completely. But that's like far away from here to be even considering. We should first, some nasty stuff would have to start happening to that for that to come into play. Okay, I think I passed most of the questions and reasonings. As you see, like the daily, you see it bounced. Okay, so we can make now a bear divergence here again with this coming in, and here this can like make a lower high, come into here, into the resistance and some type of pullback, and then we see what happens. So that was a short idea of what, how, and what, when. Well, halving is 2 months out. I think it's 23rd or 24th of April, so almost 2 months out. And yeah, things are cooking. There's a lot of new projects that we're hunting, so keep in stock, and we'll catch you up. Have a like and have a great week, guys. Thanks for joining.